When it comes to the finest foldable phones, Samsung is generally the first brand that comes to mind, but the competition has been coming up quickly. Despite not being available in the United States, devices like as the Google Pixel 9 Pro Fold and Huawei Mate X series are lifting the standard. It's evident that Samsung has to step up if it wants to maintain the crown as the foldable cane. Don't get me wrong, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is good, but it seems more like an improvement than a game changer. Sure, there are some good upgrades, such as AI elements that improve durability, but it still seems like there is potential for more. Samsung has been nailing the fundamentals, but competitors are becoming bolder. Now that folds are on the horizon, it's time for Samsung to show us something really next level. Don't get too enthusiastic just yet, since there's a twist I didn't expect. Samsung has worked hard over the years to reduce the thickness of its foldables, but the Z Fold 6 remains the thickest foldable available in 2024. According to leaks, the Z Fold 7 will have the same display sizes as the Z Fold 6 Special Edition, which means an 8-inch main display and a 6.5-inch cover display. However, the good news is that the Z Fold 7 will have a better camera, a less noticeable crease, more RAM, and, most importantly, a much sleeker design. It's going to be a game changer, but there's a twist: the slimmer design may indicate that something essential is missing. According to rumors, the Galaxy Note May 7th eliminate the Pen Digiti, which means no more built-in stylus compatibility, which might be a significant change for anybody who enjoys the pen experience. A few of leaks from reputable sources, Wana's Reef and the Elec, seem to support this up, indicating that the Z Fold 7 will ship without the digitizer. If that's the case, it seems that the S Pen will need to be charged separately from the phone. We've seen this coming, particularly since Samsung removed the digitizer from last year's limited edition Z Fold Special Edition in Korea. No digitizer means no S Pen with that phone, so if Samsung continue this trend with the Z Fold 7, we may have to find a completely new method to carry and charge the S Pen. Samsung has huge ambitions for its foldable portfolio this year, with at least 4 new phones expected to be released. Some of them may even have Qualcomm's recently unveiled Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, but there's a twist: Qualcomm surreptitiously announced a stripped-down version of the Snapdragon 8 Elite, which is already creating buzz. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.